All right, so this is a simple and fast review of the Baby Valley brand Kieslect Pro replacement band. What we're going to do is we ordered one. We're going to show you exactly how this all works. It comes with its own device to help you with the process. So we're going to go ahead and get that done for you. Show you exactly how it works. All right, so the band itself is going to be like a soft, plasticky band, and of course it's going to open and close with a clasp. So you'll just push these two and then click into place, and then you're going to have space here, and it's hard to see because of the design, but right in here there's a little nook, and it comes with 3 pins, and so you're just going to put the pins on each side into the, through the little nook, and then you'll have the little arm that sticks out. And I don't know if I can show you well. They almost look like little police batons, if you will, with the little arm at the end. And so what we're going to do is, and then it should be able to kind of drop into a comfortable position, but you'll want to leave that out for when you want to put it into the actual watch itself. You want to do that for both sides. So again, just push it in and make sure the baton arm stays up into that little gap. Now, it's entirely possible that this is going to be too big for your wrist as is, and in the event of that, there is an instruction sheet that comes with this that will show you exactly how to utilize this tool that also comes with it to adjust the actual sizes and remove clasp pieces. So I'm not going to go into that, but just want to show you that that is an option. Right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is take the old band off, and we're going to just simply make sure we're getting into the holes best we can. Sorry if I'm not on camera enough there. And I'm just trying to fit this in, and hopefully it pops into position like so. Take the other one off. This is where it does get a little bit more tricky because you're trying to line it up, and what I would do is definitely open this so you have a little bit more room to see it. Try and come in the best way we can. I might not be able to film this perfectly, not that I filmed well in the first place. It should eventually click into place. I think I got it. There you go. And so you've got your watch, the clasp, and there you go. Okay, so this was admittedly a little big for my wife, so what we are going to do is demonstrate using this little pin pusher. You're going to line up which one of these that you want to take out, and then you'll see there's a little hole on each one, and you're just going to find that hole with your little pin pusher. Just line it up. Doing the best I can with the lighting here. I think I'm doing this right. I'm hoping, and you should start to see the pin coming out on this side. Loosen it up, and just remove that pin. Okay, so this may become difficult at times, so you may need to just get some pliers, and that way you can just pull them. So if you do follow the instructions, you'll find that one of these sides has a little line through it and the other doesn't, and it makes it a lot easier to kind of put it back together, to remove pins and put them back in. You may not even need the pliers at all when you do it correctly. So make sure you check your instructions and make the adjustments as needed. So overall, extremely happy with the look, the feel. now that it's adjusted. So to me, it's worth buying. Hopefully you'll find the same thing. Thanks.